Join me as I take on the challenge of starting intermittent fasting for the first time and see how easy I can make it. Intermittent fasting has been gaining popularity as a simple yet effective approach to weight management and overall health. There's a reason why it's becoming the go-to strategy for many people looking to take control of their health, and I'm excited to dive in and explore its benefits. One of the biggest misconceptions about intermittent fasting is that it's just about starving yourself, but that's far from the truth. In reality, it's about giving your body a break from constant eating and allowing it to focus on other tasks like detoxification and repair. Another common challenge people face is confusion about what to eat and when, but don't worry, I'll be breaking it down in simple terms so you can easily get started. When you first start intermittent fasting, you might worry about feeling weak or lightheaded, but in reality, most people report feeling more energized and focused throughout the day. Of course, it's natural to feel a little hungry at first, but trust me, it's worth pushing through that initial discomfort. The benefits far outweigh the temporary hunger pangs, and I'll get into those in just a minute. One of the most significant misconceptions about intermittent fasting is that it's only for extreme dieters or fitness enthusiasts. But the truth is, anyone can do it, regardless of their fitness level or dietary goals. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, but one of the most popular and easiest to implement is the 16-8 method. This involves restricting your eating window to 8 hours and then fasting for the remaining 16 hours of the day. For example, if you finish dinner at 8 p.m., you wouldn't eat again until 12 p.m. the next day. It's a great way to start, and the best part is, you can still eat all your favorite foods, just within that 8-hour window. Another variation is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and then restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. This method is great for those who want to see accelerated weight loss and improved blood sugar control. To make intermittent fasting a breeze, try planning out your meals in advance so you know exactly what you're going to eat during your eating window. You can also prep healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, and veggies to curb any cravings during your fasting periods. One of the most significant benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to reduce inflammation and improve overall health markers. I personally know someone who was struggling with high blood pressure and was able to get it under control simply by incorporating intermittent fasting into their daily routine. The transformative power of intermittent fasting is truly remarkable, and I'm excited to share more success stories with you in the future. In just a few weeks of intermittent fasting, you can start to notice improvements in your energy levels, skin, and overall mood. It's incredible to think that such a simple change in your eating habits can have such a profound impact on your health. To recap, getting started with intermittent fasting is much simpler than you might think. Start with a method that works for you, plan out your meals, and remember, it's okay to take it one day at a time. Thanks for watching, and if you're already an intermittent fasting pro, share your experiences with me in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my next video on healthy eating habits that will take your health to the next level.